What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best automatic gates opener in 2022. We made this list based on our personal opinion, and we ranked them in no particular order after we did our research based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and more. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started with the video. Number 1. COZ Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. With its ability to handle long fences and a high weight capacity, this automatic sliding gate opener can carry big loads without asking for a significant investment. This affordable model will open a 40-foot gate weighing up to 1,400 pounds, making it suitable for commercial use. A powerful 280-watt motor smoothly opens the fence at a pace of 43 feet per minute. Once open, the user can set it to close after 12, 24, or 36 seconds to maintain security. It comes with 2 keychain remote controls, which have a range of 100 feet. This system will support up to 23 remotes, making it ideal for businesses and small communities. This gate runs off of 110-volt power and must be hardwired. To top it all off, an automatic gate opener also increases your property's value so you can sell your house for more when the time comes. It's great for your convenience and gives you an amazing return on your investment in the long run. The quality is guaranteed and the customer service is a breeze, which is why we think this is the best overall automatic gate opener currently available. Pros: suitable for commercial use. Opens quickly at 43 feet per minute. Programmable close timer. 2 keychain remote controls. Cons: some users have reported difficulty with installation. Number 2. Ghost Controls Solar Dual Automatic Gate Opener. With its ability to open 2 gate panels without the need for wiring, this automatic swing gate opener is a worthy option for residential homes or rural farms. This setup includes 2 separate control arms, each of which can handle gates up to 20 feet long. Weight capacity varies depending on the gate's length, from 300 pounds for a 20-foot gate to 900 pounds for a 5-foot-long gate. Ghost designs its gate openers for DIY installation. This one runs off of a 12-volt battery charged by a 10-watt solar panel, so there is no complicated wiring involved, and universal brackets make attaching the controls to the gate easy. This model includes 2 2-button remote controls that can open one gate panel or both gate panels simultaneously. This automatic gate opener features ghost code technology that ensures only authorized devices can access the sensors to keep you protected from potential hackers. It comes in a kit that includes the gate opener, system controller, remote, required hardware, tube brackets, and a 10W solar panel. It comes with tube brackets that make it the automatic gate opener with the easiest installation process on this list. Pros: universal brackets included. 2 2-button remote controls included. Easy to install. Opens 1 to 2 gate panels simultaneously. Cons: pricey. Number 3. Mighty Mule MM371W Automatic Gate Opener. With smart technology that allows the user to operate it via a smartphone app and ample weight capacity that makes it usable for most home applications, this automatic gate opener is one of the best on the market. These days, most home security ties into smart devices, so it only makes sense that an automated gate should too. Mighty Mule's model works with the Mighty Mule app, which uses Bluetooth technology to control the gate up to a half-mile away. When it's coupled with a camera, the user can see who is at the gate and open it from a smartphone. In addition to smart controls, this swing gate opener includes a small remote that operates the gate. It is also compatible with keypads and other types of remotes, which are sold separately. The Mighty Mule can handle gates weighing up to 550 pounds up to 16 feet long and is wireless. Using a 12-volt battery and solar panel charger for power, this automatic gate opener is 40% faster than its competitors, giving it the fastest operation out of any of the gate openers on this list and getting rid of the need to wait for a tediously slow opening. Pros: smart technology integrated. Controls the gate at up to half a mile away. Remote included. Wireless design. Cons: cranking amps and battery not included. Number 4. TOPENS PW502 Automatic Gate Opener Kit. Spending a lot of money on heavy-duty gate openers for smaller lightweight gates is overkill. This set of 2 gate openers is well suited to lighter duties. Each arm can handle a swing gate up to 16 feet long with a maximum weight of 550 pounds. This gate is also a good option for do-it-yourselfers with a kit that includes multiple brackets for installation on various gate types, ranging from wood to steel and vinyl in panel, tube, and chain. Link shapes. This versatile gate will also open inward or outward and offers several options for power. It includes a power supply that plugs into a standard outlet and works with a 12-amp battery and solar panel. Other features include a sensor that stops the gate if it encounters an obstruction and an adjustable auto-close feature with a range of 3 to 120 seconds. TOPENS covers them under their no-hassle guarantee that states that if you aren't completely satisfied with your purchase within 60 days after delivery, you will receive a full refund along with return shipping costs. Pros: suitable for light-duty use, easy to install, suitable for multiple gate types, opens inward and outward. Cons: battery not included. Number 5. TOPENS Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. If you're weary of all the options available in the market and unsure about which one is right for you, then this might just be the one. The TOPENS Automatic Gate Opener is specially designed to fit all sliding gate types. No matter whether the gate is made of steel, vinyl, or wood, or whether it's a tube, chain link, or panel, it is protected with proprietary technology that keeps it safe from unauthorized access by hackers. It also comes with a special feature, the midway mode, that allows you to open your gate partially if you're just allowing in a visitor and don't want to open the gate all the way for access to your house. This product is highly durable, so it will last you a long time, and it comes with a 30-day exchange policy plus a year's warranty and lifetime tech support. It is also easy to install as it comes with a simple instruction manual and all the required hardware. This automatic gate opener is the most versatile on our list due to it being able to work with multiple different gate types. Pros: built to last, easy installation process, can be used with different gate types. Cons: power supply cord not included.
Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.